everyone. My name is Zainab and I'm the Media and PR Manager at 9SEM. And as we complete 1 year into this fun-filled and incredibly amazing journey, I would like to share my experience and some thoughts, okay, to just throw light on our experience at 9SEM and how we enjoy being a part of it. So, firstly, I would like to, start by saying that this was the most amazing thing that happened to my life. That was 9SEM, and I will always and always be so very proud of it that I chose to work over here because it has made me, it has developed me into so much more, and I have become an incredibly better person. And there's nothing that 9SEM has not given me. It has given me freedom, it has given me my creativity, it has given me so much things to explore. And talking about the people over there, they are no more my colleagues or no more, the people just involved in my work. So 9SEM basically makes me feel like home. I know at any point of time, maybe work related, maybe personal life, I can just give them a call, and all of them, in fact, all of them are just a call away. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one.
Hi, I'm Tanvi Deshpande. I used to be the media and PR intern at 9SEM. 9SEM was amazing to work with. All of my mentors were great. I got criticism when I needed criticism, got encouragement when I needed encouragement, and I got appreciation when I had to be appreciated. And it was an amazing experience in terms of the kind of work I did too. It was great exposure. I did a lot of stuff, right from getting guests to formulating questions for them and eventually conducting the actual interviews on the live sessions. It was just a great experience, and every time I needed help, there was help. Every time I needed mentoring, there was mentoring, and there was great mentoring. All of my mentors were amazing, and I'm really grateful to have worked with 9SEM. It was an amazing experience overall.
Congratulations 9SEM for rocking e-learning platform for past 1 year. It was a great journey and I'm glad that I was somehow a part of it. I would like to thank Soumya sir, Ambika sir and Surya sir for being there as my mentors and helped me to learn and grow. I would also like to thank that old social media management team that rocked the Instagram platform, Zainab, Sayan, everyone. It was a great journey, it was a great experience of my life, and it was kind of the first professional experience of my life, and I'm glad that it was with 9SEM. So I again congratulate 9SEM for completing 1 year on e-learning platform and wish that it gets more success in future and prosper in future. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. For those of you who don't know me, I am Tanya Vinod. I previously worked as a media and PR executive at 9SEM. First of all, a very big congratulations to the entire 9SEM team for completing its first year anniversary at the EduTech platform. And 9SEM is an incredible firm, and it was one of my first firms I ever interned in, and it's very close to my heart because I'm very grateful for the opportunity that they gave for me as a fresher. And the best part about 9SEM is they do, even if you're a fresher, they give you the opportunity and they believe in you. They make you believe in yourself, which is a great thing because everybody out there wants somebody who's experienced, but here is 9SEM who's willing to vouch for you, willing to give you an opportunity to learn and grow just with the company, which is amazing. I've had a great time in 9SEM. It was a great journey. I got to learn a lot of things. I'm very grateful for my mentor, which was Manish sir and Surya sir. They were an incredible source of motivation who would keep you on your toes but also give you the freedom to explore your potential. Because as a fresher, that's what you need to have initially. So I'm very grateful for both of them for guiding me throughout, and others, Ambika sir and as well as my then colleague Zainab for motivating and to always helping me out when if there was any glitches or to guide me through. So all of them, it was a great journey at 9SEM, and I believe that 9SEM is a very passionate and hardworking bunch of youngsters who really want to make a difference in the engineering field. They provide so much value and they do it with so much passion, and I've never seen them take a holiday, which is something great about 9SEM again. They even work on Sundays and they don't complain. That's how hardworking and passionate they are. I'm very happy to be a part of 9SEM's family, and I wish a lot of luck and the very best for the company, and I hope they do a great job in the EduTech platform in the coming years. Thank you so much.
Hello all, my name is Vandan Maheshwari and I am going to share my experience with the 9SEM learning platform. So basically 9SEM in India's firstly digital learning platform that provides you the training and guidance to the engineering core and non-IT students. So basically I started my journey as a campus ambassador approximately 2 months, and after that community leader approximately 4 months. So in this approximately 6 to 7 months I worked with the 9SEM. So in this 6 to 7 months I have gained a lot of experience and opportunity. I have upgraded my learning skills and I have upgraded my management skills in this because of this campus ambassador program and that community leadership program. And basically the 9SEM is very friendly. There are Manish sir and Surya sir, they are really friendly and ready to help you anytime when you got stuck and when you need them. They are very friendly and they can help you very much. So yeah, that's all from my side.
This is Azan Sheikh and I was an intern at 9SEM, and I was interning for social media and content, and it was a really great experience working in 9SEM, and there were really some great mentors who have helped me develop some new skills and to polish them. And yeah, overall it was a wonderful experience working in 9SEM.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi and I'm currently working as an intern in the media and PR team. I really found this as an opportunity to just appreciate and acknowledge the efforts of all my mentors and the entire team that has been putting up with me and in this whole organization. So I just wanted to take this a few seconds and thank everyone of how supportive they've been. I remember that as I'm in the PR team, so I have to host live sessions. I still remember Manish sir and Zanab ma'am calling me, trying to calm me down and ask me okay, listen, everything's going to be fine and everything. I don't think all of this is ever received in another company or an organization, this level of comfort, this level of understanding. So thank you so much for all of it, and also the rest of the people and the mentors that I've interacted with. Thank you so much for all the respect, even as an intern, that you've given it to me. It means a lot.
Hello everyone, I still remember that day when I was sitting idle and my friend Suman told me that there was one startup called 9SEM and if I want to work with them. So I thought let's give it a try, and from that day it's been 1 year I've been working with 9SEM. So it's a great journey for all of us, from logo redesigning to blog website, then video editing and building 9SEM website. I have seen how gradually 9SEM developed and I learned a lot of experience in this. Many ups and downs came, but we all overcame through it by hard work and teamwork. So I would like to thanks all my mentors, Ambika sir, Soumya sir, Surya sir, Telip sir, and everyone who always helped and supported whenever I need any help. So I hope 9SEM shines bright in the future too and continues to progress. Thank you 9SEM for everything.